We do a segment called UnDUPEable.
Okay.
Okay, so 5 things. It can be products. It can be a place. It can be a dish.
Okay.
It can be anything, like just a thing that are just cannot be duped. Okay, originals. They can be your products. I mean, I imagine there are some of your products in there. So you have to say 5 things.
5 things.
And you have 1 minute to do it.
Okay.
This is my little timer
Oh my
right
goodness,
here.
the timer.
The pressure is on, but you got to give me like a little reason why.
Okay.
You know, I know you only got a minute, but I want to know why it's UnDUPEable to you.
Okay.
All right. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Go.
Okay. Our Beauty Set Vitamin C Serum for sure. Nothing. It's improved my skin. It's been tremendous, and it's my ride or die. Have to have it. Next product would be our new peel pads. It's a facial and a pad. Gives you glowing skin, retexturizes, smooths, and it's so easy to travel with. It's so portable. 3, Hailey Bieber, of course. She's a fantastic partner, and she's been an inspiration, and thrilled to be collaborating with her as well. I have to throw someone might be controversial, and that's Bethany Frankel. As well, just because she's irreplaceable. I mean, she's been a big supporter of our vitamin C serum, our peel pads, so she's on the list as well. And then a new product that I've just started to use, a new fragrance from Balmain that I really love, called Carbone. So I just was introduced to that. The winner of one of the Women's Wear Daily Beauty Inc. awards that I won, a fellow winner was the creative director for Balmain, and that's it.
Perfect. But that's amazing. Okay, I'm going to write that down because I love buying my husband fragrance.
Yeah.
Are you hitting